you're about to provide the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to, you put your hand down, did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney today in private about your case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. James, I'd like to bring your attention to January 17th, 2018, around 12:45 p.m. in the area of Carrington and Littlefield in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a Pontiac red vehicle?
Yes.
Were you doing so without, I should say, actually, were you stopped by Detroit Police Department officer?
Yes.
And did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
And also, I'd like to bring your attention to October 2nd, 2017, around 5:45 p.m. in the area of Schoolcraft and Schaefer in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2000 Buick Blue vehicle?
Yes.
And one, was that vehicle uninsured?
Yes.
And also, was it unregistered?
Yes.
Okay, satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will make the amendments per the recommendation to 2 counts of improper plate and 1 count of failure to display. And I will dismiss all of the non-adjudicated counts left before the court. Is there a stipulation of probable cause for those?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay.
Your Honor, I'm not sure if this makes a difference with the court, considering how you've been handling the fines and costs so far, but Mr. James did inform me that he did jail time on these tickets, 5 months. So I just wanted to let the court know that.
Mr. James, you were in jail for 5 months because of these counts?
These counts and unrelated felony charges, ma'am, back on January 22nd, I was arraigned.
Okay. I didn't think you would be in jail for 5 months on these alone. Let's see.
So I bond out June 23rd for the felonies, and I got rearranged again for the tickets.
Okay. So I'm going to just do the same thing. I'm going to waive your fines and costs. So it would typically be about $720. I'm going to go ahead and put your balance at 0, okay?
Okay.
You have any questions?
No.
Typically, people say thank you after your fines are waived.
Oh, I didn't know you was finished, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. I'm also closing out your one that's up for review where you have outstanding balance as well. So I'll close that out as well, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good rest of your day.
You too.
Okay, let's take care of Miss Latrina Johnson. Miss Johnson, go ahead and unmute your phone. And Attorney Wilkerson is for failure to display with the remaining count to be dismissed.
Your Honor, for some reason she's not on my docket. I'll just write down the counts.
Yeah, she's not on mine either, but we have her file, so we're just gonna take care of her.
Okay, can you tell me the counts that she have, and then you said plead to failure to display?
Yep, it's driver's license expired and no insurance.
Okay.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, how are you?
Fine. I've been wandering around and I'm here to be a helper.
Oh, you know what? I think we got everything under control.
That's wonderful to hear. See, timing is everything.
Right.
By the way, you did, I'm very pleased that you ask for a thank you for the previous
I tried to
defense.
do it the next way, I just don't understand, maybe people can't hear me, I don't know what it is, but.
Boy, that's a positive attitude, Your Honor. Anyway, you and your staff be well. Thank you very much. And, you know, I'm trying to navigate this stuff. So far, so good.
Yeah, you seem to have it under control.
Well, that's a little optimistic.
I'm optimistic today, can't you tell?
Yes, you are. You have had your humor pills on today. So, Judge,
Right.
you be very well, and I will talk to you soon.
Okay, have a good one.
You bet. Bye-bye.
Bye. Did you need something, Attorney Wilkerson, or did you already talk to her?
Oh, no, my thing just didn't pop up.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes I.
And sir, with the Galaxy A10, can you hear me?
Yes, Your Honor, I sure can.
Good, because we couldn't hear you before. What is your name?
My name's Slip Mahoney Jones.
Did you say Flip?
Yes, ma'am. SLIP.
Okay. That shouldn't be hard to find. Oh, Slip. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. He's just up for review. Mr. Jones, I'm going to close your matter out today, okay? So you don't have to wait on the call.
Oh, thank you so much, Your Honor. You have a
You're
blessed
welcome.
day.
You're welcome. So whatever money you had to owe on that, I'm going to close it out and bring it to a zero balance, okay?
Oh, you know, I paid it too, Your Honor.
You did?
I sure did. I paid it. Then I caught COVID the next dang on day.
Wow. Are you feeling
Yeah,
okay?
sir. Oh, yes, ma'am. I'm staying my butt at the house and recovering from an injury on the job.
Okay, well, you take care of yourself, okay?
You too, Your Honor. You have a beautiful day, okay?
Thank you. You too. Daniel James, they pay $1.
Hello, Your Honor.
Yes, what's her name?
Archie Johnson. I'm a little late. I thought it was at 1:30.
Yes, you are late, but we are still
Yes.
here.
I had another matter that was a couple of days ago. I had missed it, and it's because I got all of these paperwork on the same day. I was trying to show you. They gave me all these on the same day, and they definitely was the ones from the 18th. They came all at the same time.
The job is fine. You got your teeth in. Hold tight.
I'm sorry, I couldn't really hear you.
I said, when you're checked in, you're okay. Just hold on. You're in the middle of the case. We'll get to you.
All right.
We ready on Ms. Johnson?
Yes, I have a question though, Your Honor. Oh, well, I don't know if she timed out. Oh, there she is. Do you see any other tickets in her file?
No, no. I only
No,
have, yeah, the 2 counts. She said saying she has more counts?
She said she went to the Secretary of State and they told her she had 2 other outstanding tickets. She just wanted to make sure she didn't have a warrant or like maybe she missed the court date or the notice because she only had notice of these 2.
Okay, we'll check.
Okay.
Yes, she's, Ms. Moore?
Yes, Judge, but they're scheduled for tomorrow's arraignments.
Oh.
So I can get the real phone. Don't worry about it, Chad. I'll pull it.
Okay, so Miss Latrina Johnson is up for tomorrow, that's why.
Okay.
She has arraignments tomorrow for 3 counts. Well, actually, the arraignment is for driver while license not valid or improper license. And there were 2 civil infractions attached to that for no receipt of registration and careless driving.
Okay.
So,
You want to just handle that arraignment today?
Yes, ma'am.
No, not you, Miss Johnson. I'm asking the court.
Okay.
we can do that today. And what I can also do is, if she wants to handle them all today, I can offer her, since she's doing 130 to display, let's see. Let me check something. I'll let her plead responsible to the no registration for 0 points
Okay.
and have the rest dismissed, or dismiss the rest.
Miss Johnson, did you hear that?
Yes, ma'am.
So she found your tickets that were supposed to be for tomorrow. And it's 3 new counts: driving license not valid, no receipt of registration, and careless driving. If you plead responsible, wait, is no receipt of registration a civil infraction, Your Honor?
It is, yep.
Okay.
0.
If you plead responsible to the civil infraction of no receipt of registration, and also the original plea of failure to display, then everything else will be dismissed.
Okay.
And then you won't have to come back tomorrow either, because they're all taken care of.
Okay.
You want to do that today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me call your cases. This is the people versus Latrina Johnson. Calling case is SP 106-8957. Count 1, careless driving. Count 2, no receipt of registration. SP 106-89721, driver while license not valid or improper license. And P 107-4483. Count 1, driver's license expired. Count 2, no insurance. Appearance.
Field Manager Wilkerson on behalf of Ms. Johnson. Ms. Johnson, please state your name for the record.
Latrina Johnson.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we waive formal reading, stay on mute. And as far as handling all the matters, Ms. Johnson would like to avail herself to the plea of an amended charge of failure to display, as well as being responsible to the no receipt of registration.
Okay, Attorney Wilkerson, I think I'm gonna do something a little different here. Ms. Johnson, do you have an appointment with the Secretary of State to try to get your license back, since it's expired?
No, I don't have an appointment, Your Honor. I do apologize. I've been waiting on unemployment to pay me since June. I do not have an income and I don't have any money. And I've been
Okay.
waiting. The governor's office has been working with me and getting in contact with unemployment so they can pay me.
Okay, so Ms. Johnson, because you have got this ticket for your driver's license expired during the pandemic, during the shutdown period, I'm going to go ahead and dismiss that matter because, it's almost impossible to get access to the Secretary of State during that time. So I'm going to dismiss that count, but what I need you to do is set up an appointment with the Secretary of State moving forward, since all of your counts have been addressed today, okay?
Okay.
It doesn't require you any money to do so. You just have to set up an appointment online.
Okay.
But you will have to still plead responsible to the one count of no registration on your person when you were pulled over, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's 0 points, so it won't, affect any points on your license. Attorney Wilkerson, I guess I should ask you, is that okay for your client?
No objections, Your Honor.
So for the no receipt of registration, is there a stipulation to the face of the ticket?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay, so Ms. Johnson, all of your counts I'm going to dismiss except for the no receipt of registration. And I'm going to waive your fines and costs, especially since you mentioned that you don't have the income and based off of the pandemic. Is there a stipulation of probable cause for the remaining dismissed counts?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Johnson, I need you today, once you get off the phone, to set up an appointment with the Secretary of State, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. And
You're
God bless
welcome.
you.
Thank you, you too. Do you have any questions?
No, not at this time.
Okay, have a good one.
You too. Thank you.
Is there a Breon Jacobs form?
Jacobs, Jacobs.
Breon Jacobs?
You don't.
Is she on the docket?
It's on the docket.
I just see her on the phone. Yeah, first page. Oh, yes, for the state of First.
If you need it, Chairman, let me know.
Okay, at some point, I'm gonna just end up. Who just checked, who just called in and said Zoom user?
Yeah, that's Mr. Johnson again. My stuff just kicked me off.
Mr. Johnson, you already taken care of, right?
No, I'm not. I haven't even been addressed yet. I was just waiting.
What is your name?
Archie Johnson.
Oh, okay, right. You were just on, okay.
Yeah, that's all right.
Archie Johnson. When people log off, the name goes away, okay.
Okay.
All right. So for Mr. Johnson, the offer is for him to plead to failure to display with the remaining 3 counts to be dismissed.
Wait, you said remain, is this Archie Johnson?
Yeah, Archie Johnson.
I have more than 4 counts.
Oh, yes. There are several counts here.
6.
I have for 168 and 169. So we're missing 3, 4, and 2 are up for review. Okay. Mr. Johnson, you have some other tickets we have to print out.
I'm about to say, Jan, I just paid like $3,000 in tickets to y'all, like literally. I shouldn't have no tickets that aren't paid. And I just missed the court date on the 19th.
Mr. Johnson,
Hey.
you are incorrect with your statement. Because
I'm incorrect on the fact that I just paid $3,000 for my tickets. Is that what you're
Mr.
talking about?
Johnson, I'm going to hang up on you if you don't stop talking while I'm talking to you. I don't have time for this today. I'm trying to tell you something to help you out. I need you to be quiet and listen. You're late already. You're supposed to call in at 9 o'clock. So just be quiet and listen. When you have a matter that's a misdemeanor, you have to go before a judge. You can't just pay it off. So you may have paid off some civil infractions, but anything that's a misdemeanor has to come before the court first. So you're here for matters that you can't just pay online. So we're trying to get all of them for you so that we can address them so that you can move forward to get your license. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, so just hold tight. We have to print out the rest of them for you. Ms. Jacobs, can you unmute your phone, please?
Hello,
Good morning, Ms. Jacobs.
how are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
You have one count for a violation of the governor's executive order.
Yes.
I'm going to put you into a breakout room to speak to Attorney Wilkerson.
Okay.
The way it's going to work, since we don't have the offers with the from the state prosecutor as of yet, I'm just going to set it for a trial date. If the officer doesn't appear, I'll dismiss it. And if the prosecutor doesn't appear for the trial, I'll dismiss it. Okay?
All right.
So I'm going to put you in now to speak to Attorney Wilkerson.
All right.